I am not a blame gamer. I am a solutionist. I am a revolutionist. I am a warrior. I am a fighter. I am here for truth and rights and justice. Yes, PJ, Bumbleclad, Percival James Patterson, you motherfucker. What have you done since the country was handed over to you from the great Michael Manley? All you did was fuck the country over and send the country into worse dispute. And all the persons that followed after you. I mean, maybe, I don't know, maybe Portia, she wasn't that bad. But you motherfucker, you so-called rose color, you so-called this and so-called that. Come on, what kind of legacy have you set? Your legacy will be looked upon, smudged and smeared. You set legacies that drain the country's purse. Like I'm gonna set the template for this recording that I'm doing as the fires that were set at the gas station when the prices were raised and the country went against you. That's what we need. The country has regressed so far. No education. People are just out for the social activities and just entertainment and just full of belly. We don't have people. Oh my God, I don't know what's going on. We need the warrior, we need the fire. We have this evil motherfucker leading right now. Our so-called, I don't know what is he. Come on, we need to burn down some place. The country need to be on fire. Place for your burn down. No, not hospital. Hotel for your burn down. Some politician house for your brother. We need to wage war. It's war. It is war. So we just need to just get cracking and just bring the fire. A fire time right now. We need to burn down some place. We can't make the past people them smarter than we. And we see and know history and know what to do. We should learn from them. Yeah, we cannot make it a case where we only depend upon the PNP or the opposition. I am only one man. Me alone can't do it. We need money to fight this war. We need more people to fight this war. Like, it cannot be a case where we just sit back and allow them to just do what they're doing. Like, come on, we have to take it to them. We need to take it to them. We need to take it to them and make them know and say, hey, we are going to run this. We are going to do what we want to do and we are going to do this. And we are going to do this. Lock up on them thing, brother. We need to start bad up the thing, bro. All the people, most of them are bad man, brother. And that's why I mean, brother, most of them pussy are friend killer them, bro. That's why it's brother. That's why I mean even up on the island right now, brother. Cause not for them boy, brother. Not for them batty boy, brother. A friend killer them, bro. All they know for the brother. I can screech you at night time and shot you in your head, bro. And then politician, I rob the whole place. We don't know healthcare, we don't know schooling, we don't know housing, we don't have nothing. And all they want to do, I shot them friend who them and them catch up. I'm gonna chop them girl, brother. Me I tell you, bro, you see me, brother? That's why I live up on the island right now, brother, cause my brother, me evilous, brother. Me grimy. Yeah. I'm mad, yo. Me I tell you. Come on, man. One whole island of intellects. One whole island of people who want better, who know better. And we just sit back and allow. It's a batty boy, yeah. It's a like a waste man, yeah. It's a like a, I want like a weak, I want to eat that too, you know. That's a break down people house and just do as he like and feel like him as somebody. Let me tell you this batty boy is nobody. And me tell you that, me say one day, hey, yeah man, brother, we go string up your pussy. We go string up your bumbo hole. Just know that batty boy. Yeah, it look like we don't see what go on. You see that them are bumbuckler. We cannot sit back and allow them to just get the thing real, even more muckier, brother. Usain Bolt. We need them prominent figures there. We need all of the prominent figures them, bro. We need the people them with the influence, with the money. We need them to step to the front, brother. We need to start wage war. Me not call both name alone. We have a lot more people. The opposition leader, we need some people who know good, who have morality, who have morals, who know good, who know bad. We need them influential people that will step forward, bro. We cannot sit back and just be led like headless chicken until our deaths, brother. We can't. What they go on? What the bum buckler go on? Like, you think me for this bad, brother? Them boy just not no style, brother. Them boy they not no style, bro. We need the people, them. We need to take up this thing, bro. Like, what the bum at 2026, brother. Look on Barbados. Look on Burkina Faso. Like, Jamaica was ahead. And we gone back. We gone back. We were off down before. What that? Cha bum bub cha. We must hit them where it hurt. We have to stick it to them. We have to step up the game. We must hit them where they hurt. Business place. We just do research. At 99 the gas riot go on in our April. We need to take it to them. We need to take it to them. We need to make the business people them feel it. So the government can feel it. Something have to happen. We have to take it to them. We can't just allow them to have them way like this. We have to take it to them. Yeah. We need to step up the pace and start light some fire. Yeah. And not if we start in a row. And not if we walk in a room and start a fire. We need to do something.